Hi, hope you are doing great. So, currently we're in a farm this afternoon. We are here to check some fish. These are big sizes of fish. The least size here is around 800, 900 grams. So, we'll be making proper sales of this fish. In case you are out there, you need something like this, you can send me a message. We have over 500 pieces of them here, stock here, ready for sale. So if you are out there, you need the size of fish like this, you can send me a message and we will know how to go about it. This farm is located around Amikanle, here in Africa State. So if you are interested, you can send me a message. We already have some list of bars on our list already, but first come first serve. So if you are ready to buy from us, you can send us the DM. So let them see the fish. So thank you for watching today's video. You enjoy the rest of your day.